Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are Group 1 of the English for Business 2 for the University of Gunadarma from Class 4IA10. My name is Tagor Maulana L, and our group today is going to be presenting about subject and verb agreement. These are the members of my group. Alvin Raihan M, Prita Fauziah, Syachrizal Bachri, Ullya Nada, Zalita Nadya U, and myself. So the next slide will be read by Ms. Uli.
Subject-verb agreement. Every sentence in English has to have at least one subject and one verb. A subject can be a noun. For example, Mr. Budi drives to work. Or a pronoun, he goes to school by bus. Verbs are words that describe activity, what the subject is doing. For example, you should do your homework.
Okay. Step 1, identify the subject and the verb. So the point of this video is for you to be able to properly analyze a sentence this time based on the subjects and the verb and decide whether they are correct or not. So every sentence in English has to have at least a subject and a verb. Take a look at this sentence and decide whether it's correct or incorrect. Go to school every day. Notice that there is only one verb, which is go, and no subject is present. The sentence is therefore incorrect because it has no subject and thus makes no sense. The correct sentence will be subject, I, you, they, or we go to school every day. Okay, now look at this other sentence and decide if it's correct or not. He school every day. Now notice that there is only a subject present, which is he. A common mistake among beginners is that because the sentence translates into Bahasa as dia sekolah setiap hari, most people think that this sentence is grammatically correct, while the incorrect sentence would be he goes to school every day. And in Bahasa, it actually means dia bersekolah or dia pergi ke sekolah setiap hari.
Step 2. Use the appropriate subject or verbs. In addition, knowing which is which, you should also pay attention to the correct forms or endings of verbs depending on the subject. Subjects with pronoun he, she, or it use verb with as ending when you're speaking in simple present. Subjects with the pronoun I, you, they, we uses the normal form of the verbs when speaking in simple present. For example, I feed my cat twice a day. The sentence has both a subject I and a verb feeds.
However, this sentence is still incorrect because the corresponding verb feed is not appropriate for the subject I. The appropriate verb would be feed, and therefore the correct sentence would be I feed my cat twice a day. The same goes for the sentence he likes to eat ice cream.
This sentence is incorrect because the verb likes is not the correct form for the subject he, and the correct sentence would be he likes to eat ice cream. Dealing with adjectives: when you find a sentence with adjectives in place of regular verbs such as this restaurant is really fancy.
You need to know that the verb here is the be verb. Is, am, are, was, were. Is for pronouns he, she, it, and singular noun. Are is for pronouns you, both plural and singular. They, we, and plural noun. Am is for the pronoun I. Was and were are the past form of is or am, and are respectively.
Okay, one thing that's missing from this presentation is that I forgot to add that is used for pronouns he, she, and it, and for both uncountable nouns and singular nouns that are countable. So that's it for this presentation. I hope this serves you in some way. I hope this increases your knowledge in English and stuff. I apologize if we made any mistakes or anything that's missing from this, any information that's missing from this presentation. Tell us right in the comments below if you have any ideas for our next video. So that's all. Thank you. Bye-bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Cepet.
Alhamdulillah ya Allah.
Kurang dari 1 menit,
Sis,
coy.